Okay guys, this is Welshy Tech. This video is featured by Overclockers. Overclockers in the UK is the #1 online gaming computer hardware and system retailer, providing the highest quality parts, full gaming systems and service to gamers for a better experience. Also, they're doing promotions at the moment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you want to buy something on overclockers.co.uk, the actual link for this site will be in the description, so make sure you check it out. They've got everything from a basic notebook all the way up to a gaming notebook. They've got everything from custom cooled and everything. So make sure you check them out, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is Welshy out.